Hey guys, it's HighSchoolMac, and I'm going to be giving you guys a boot manager tutorial. Boot manager is a multi-booter app for Android. Basically, it lets you boot up to 5 ROMs at a time off your phone. I use it a lot. It's really nice because you can basically flash a bunch of ROMs, test them, whatever. Say you have 2 ROMs you really like to run at the same time. That's the big advantages. They are a little bit slowed down because they actually 4 of them run off your SD card. So we're going to start out, and let's say you just downloaded it. You're actually not going to have any cyclic boot installed ROMs. You're not going to have any of these because I named them and stuff. What I'm actually going to do, just because it's actually faster to install over one that's already been done, I'm going to go and show you how to do that. So you're going to come up, and first of all, you're going to want to set your phone ROM. So you're going to hit Set Phone ROM, and then that's going to allow you to, whenever you boot into another ROM on your SD card, you can boot back. And that's really important because, say you flash a ROM, you boot into it, and for some reason it doesn't boot up. You boot into recovery, and you flash the boot IMG from your phone ROM, and that allows you to boot back into it. So you're going to click Set Up Phone ROM, and continue, and you're done. Only do this on the ROM that's on your eEMC. Okay, from here we're gonna go and hit Install Zip. So you're gonna go to your SD card, and you're gonna find where you have your ROM saved. And I'm just gonna do OMFGB. Now, this is what you want to do. Because I already have something installed, I'm going to hit Wipe System, Wipe Data, Wipe Cache. That's because I'm installing onto a slot that already has something. And I'm going to choose slot 3. And for this, you have to kind of think about what your ROM on your phone supports and the ROM with your flashing supports. Just for the tutorial, I'm going to do extension 2 because it's more stable. Okay guys, so I just started the install, and this is what I'm getting. It's actually on their newer update, so it installs in the status bar, which is really cool, so you can go and do other stuff. Just going to fast forward when it's done. Okay guys, it's done installing for me. So make sure you have your phone ROM set up. I already got mine set up, but I'll do it again just to show you guys. It's just setting up. It's really quick and easy. Make sure you do it. Do not do it when you boot into your SD card ROM. I'm going to go boot install ROM. OMFGB Mecca. Okay. And reboots. Now I've noticed a little bit longer boot times than normal, but that's expected, and it's a lot nicer than going to have to do a whole Android backup and restore. Just to have one reboot, and then you're to a whole different ROM. Okay, so it's booting up now. It worked out good, and see, there we have it. OMFGB. It's booting off the SD card. Once it boots up, I'll show you guys what that's like. See, boot up is not that long, and after the first time it's a lot faster. So I'm just going to wait for it to settle down a bit. Get a signal. I have a pretty weak 4G signal where I'm at, and it's constantly switching between 3G and 4G. But here we go. I actually have 4G, so this should make it easier. Okay, so I'm just gonna not check any of this stuff for this, because I'm just gonna get into it and show you guys how it works. Basically, all you do is set it up like a normal ROM, So right now I'm booted in, and it's as fast as any other ROM would be. I actually did a review on this ROM. You guys should check that out. It's in our other videos. It's a good ROM. So, see, that's nice. Boot Manager installed itself into your apps now. That's a really nice feature they have. So, just to show you, what I'm going to do is that's how you install your ROM. And once you're in your ROM, you set it up like you normally would, and then all you have to do is reboot to either back to your phone ROM or another ROM you have installed. I'm going to go in. I'm going to actually go into Boot Manager and boot into another installed ROM off my SD card to show you guys how nice and flawless it is to just switch between a few ROMs. Okay, so we're in right now, and it tells us right up here we're currently in ROM 3. So we're going to go boot installed ROM. We're going to do CyanogenMod 7. I think this boot up should be a little bit faster. So it's booting up now. Just a normal boot up. And that's actually a pretty fast boot up when switching ROMs. I do already have this set up. It is an older version of CyanogenMod 7. I haven't updated it very recently. So, see, CyanogenMod 7. The app's essential for any crack flashers. If you don't know what that is, it's just people who constantly are flashing ROMs to their phone. It's just nice to be able to switch between these ROMs so easily. So this is going to end the tutorial, guys. Once again, it's HighSchoolMac here, and rate, comment, and subscribe, guys. See ya.